Alright, we now move on to speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a part of a city or town you enjoy spending time in. A part of a city can be anything. It can be any restaurant, it can be any park or anything part of the city. Where it is, and even it can be your own house as well.
Okay.
Where it is present. And by the way, they said enjoy spending time. So you should use a variety of words related to that. Where it is, what it is like, where it is means location. What it is like means how it is actually. What do you do there? Activities.
Okay.
And explain why you enjoy, reasons. So you will come up with all these things, right? You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay. Well, I am a person who loves to explore the new places, and I like to play, and I like to spend time in a place that is a sport complex which is situated near to the south corner of my hometown, and I go there with my friends on daily basis, and with my family, often with my family on weekends, and enjoy there a lot. There are all the sport facilities are available in the sport complex, like there are big hall. There are big halls for indoor sports, and playground, and a jogging track for outdoor sports. So at that there is a big reason due to this I want to spend some time there. That is none other than there are plethora of options for me to for sports. For example, if I want to play the outdoor games, then I have to go there and play the cricket over there, and if I want to play indoor games, then I go to the hall and play the badminton over there, and there is also a cinema next to the sport complex, and I often watch the movies there with my friends and entertain myself and calm down myself by watching the movies. And the other main things due to I want to spend some time there because the sport complex mostly have the greenery parts. So my uncle has told me that green color is a color which affect the eyesight of a human being. So if you cast a glance on the green color.
Okay, you have spoken for 2 minutes. Now let's take a look at the topic. Part of a city or town you enjoy spending time. Where it is, you mentioned. What it is like, you mentioned. What do you do there, you mentioned. And explain why you enjoy spending time there. Now you were relating green color with this?
Not green color,
greenery and all that. So that explanation was too much. Do not explain one point too much, right? Again, you should come back and explain why you enjoy spending time there, because if you say my uncle said greenery is this and that and that,
but I have
but you spoke for 1 minute 55 seconds, so time is actually almost over. So try to summarize your ideas. Okay? All right. I found some pronunciation mistakes. Instead of hall, you said hall.
Hall. It is a hall.
Huh?
There are halls for indoor games.
So it's not hall. It is hall.
Halls. Okay.
Right? Examination hall, not examination hall. Hall कितने बजे बंद होना है? Not like that. Okay. And then you said the cricket. Okay. So it is not cricket. It is cricket.
Okay.
Yes, some people say cricket. So it's cricket. And then you said the badminton, you don't need to add article with that. Then you said greenery parts. Greenery and parts, that's not right. You can say green areas and all that, like that. So these type of mistakes, but overall you spoke well. But let me tell you, don't drag one idea this much that your focus is moved here and there, right?
Okay.
Now we move on to speaking part 3. How do public places change in towns or cities?
Well, public places are changed in according to the demand of the public. Sometimes the government takes necessary action and provide the modern facilities to the public, and sometimes the new generation demand modernized facilities from the public, from the government, and they required developed health facilities and also developed educational facilities, and there is NGOs which are fulfill their corporate social responsibilities,
which are fulfilling their corporate social responsibilities. And the answer is getting longer. Just try to summarize it, and in few sentences, like 5-6 sentences, you can give your answer. What public places do old people usually go to?
Old people often like to go a place where which have a surface level equal.
A place which has, or places which have, okay?
A place which has a surface level equal. They may fall if they run there. So some old people like to go in park or a garden, and some like to go in cafe in coffee.
Some like to go to the cafes.
To the cafe for their.
Okay, now see that what you are doing, you're not using proper signposting. It's better to say what public places do old people usually go to. First of all, old people love to go to the parks, especially the parks which are even. They always enjoy sitting in the park and watching children playing and other stuff like that. On the other hand, old people also love to go to religious places. Places like mosque and synagogue and all that. They enjoy there, they find real satisfaction. And finally, just use like that.
Okay.
Right? Don't say some people going, some people there, some people this, some people that. So you need to use a variety, because examiner will give you bench score what you present.
Okay.
Right? So that's what you need to see. Last question. Why do young people like to go to public places?
Young people like to go to public places for entertainment, and actually the public places are often cheaper than the other any brand places like
branded places
like McDonald's and
it's not branded place, it's a restaurant. McDonald's
and KFCs. So the other things due to the young
your answer is not actually focused answer. I tell you why. Why do young people like to go to public places? What are public places? Restaurants, shopping malls and all that. Just give reason for that. Why do young people like to go to public places? Young people always love going to public places because at public places there are crowds of people, and young people always enjoy these crowds. The first thing.
Okay.
Secondly, some young people want to interact with other people, so therefore they go to the public places, like they go to attend some meetings or seminars and all that, where they come across new people, so that is why they go there. And finally, so just talk about things like that. Okay, your answer should be focused one, not just like examiner will get confused what the question was. Something like that, exactly. So give a focused answer, that will be better. But anyway, still the way you spoke well as well. I will give you 6 band, right? It can be 5.5 also in actual exam if you go here and there.
Okay.
Right? So, but if you give right answers, it's going to be 6 band. Once there was a student, he had this essay learned football match, right? So every time, whatever the topic was, he wrote his football match.
Okay.
Once teacher gave him a different topic. Teacher thought now he will not write about football match. Teacher gave him the topic journey by plane. He said, okay, I went to the airport, I took a ride in the aeroplane. As the aeroplane flew from the window, I saw the stadium and then football match. Okay, so not that you put your football match everywhere. You should come up with a variety of answers according to the question.
Okay, sir.
Okay? All right, thank you.